Well done. More than 10,000 players who get money, more than 3.8 thousand as a top, and look at me. Whoa! Spread the wings and fly away. Guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you, Otto. How much you got? Oh, you want to keep that as a secret? Okay, keep it as a secret. At the end of the day, that's your money. Do whatever you like, guys. Just remember about autoplay. With autoplay, you can place the bets in advance, and with cash hunt and 5 times multiplay, you can be like instantly rich. You just have to get uno momento, senors and senoritas. Looks like cash hunt is back. Wait, what? 5x over there. Woo! Oh, there we go again. The cash hunt is delivering all the money today. Hey, guys. You know what will be the biggest multiplier over there? I don't know, just a second. 5 times. Wait. There is 500. There is 500. Sheesh. Apple Watch, if you don't work right now. Okay, I don't have Apple Watch, obviously. Guys, you better pick the symbol. Yep, you over there. At the other side of the screen. Please pick 500. Please. Not for me, for yourself. You can do it. I believe in you. And you magnificent board. Multiple 500s. Alright, I'm not alone anymore. Well, yeah, we have 17,000 people over here. I'm never alone. But okay, where is 500? What's happening with my voice today? 500! Yoo-hoo! Hello! Alright, no signal for Apple Watch again. You can do it. What a surprise. Where is 500? Everyone is waiting. Okay, guys, while you're waiting, I'm gonna leave. You will get the money anyway, right? Think so. In the next session, you will hit me up how much you get. Okay? Thank you. There you go. What? Multiple 500s. 950 players get 500 times multiplier. Sheesh. Ileana just said to me, go away.
No, yeah?
Guys, you will get money. 4.4 thousand for Sasha Lin, 3.8 thousand for you, and more than 900 as a third best win. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's do it. That's boring for you, miss? Okay. Say no more. So you want to say number 1 is boring for you? Until you will see 50x on number 1. Won't be so boring at all. 7x on cash hunt, so we are kinda close. Okay, easy. Get me the cash hunt, players are waiting. Thank you. That's the spirit, guys. So I guess first bonus for my session will be with 7x and cash hunt. That's amazing. Let's go! Ta-da! Vote waiting, right? 7x over here, guys. So, uno momento. We could stop the symbols. Abracadabra 7x. Please. There you go. The board looks way better. Alright, guys, the biggest multiplier, 700. I hope you will get that one. Multipliers and symbols are not related, guys. I will tell you straight honest. Then you can make auto pick if you want to. Obviously, I would suggest you to pick by yourself, but okay, that's your money, do whatever you like. And right now you have few seconds, well, bit more than few seconds, to pick one of the symbol. And who knows, maybe you will end up with 700 times multiplier. I hope so. Why not? Alright, be patient, guys. So, show me where is 700. I really hope there will be multiple ones. Obviously for you. All for you, dear players. So, 700, show yourself. We are waiting. An abracadabra whole board 700s. Oh, well, we have multiple 700s over here. 533 of you got 700x. 533 of you. Not bad, guys.
Now the betting time deed is open right now. Good luck. Autoplay in the bottom right available if you wish to make the system plays bits for you. You can feel free to use that wonderful fabulous option as well. Opportunity. Abba, crazy time 3x on the top, start again. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. Well, Nemesis, it wasn't that long though. It was not that long. And you know what? Crazy time with a magical touch right there. We got, oh, yeah, I love to see this. Ah, penguins are coming back. Let's go, guys. Ooh, look at this beauty. Crazy time, crazy time, crazy, crazy, crazy time. Alright, the actual beauty we're about to see yet. The multipliers are showing up on the wheel, but they are all about to get 3 times as good now. Gets 3x from the top slot, yeah baby! Sweet, alrighty, well now your decision time begins. The green, the blue, or the yellow flapper, you gotta pick one. Come on, guys. Can we get that 600x for somebody? That's a good shot. $75, 75, and 150x. Yellow team, you got the best one. And please, everybody, keep in mind the golden rules of gambling. Do not gamble amount of your money you're supposed to be spending on something else. You're not gamble amount of money you cannot afford to lose. Do not gamble frustrated. Do not gamble. Do not chase your wins. I mean, 7x on crazy though. Chris, I wish you the best of luck whenever you're placing bets here, but please do keep in mind the golden rules and stay responsible of the decisions you make. We got a 7x crazy time! Ooh, okay. This is a good day. Ah, yeah! Crazy time! With a 7x from the top slot. Oh, baby. I love it already. Let's go. Multipliers that showed up, but of course, every single multiplier that just showed up there is about to get 7 times as good. This is exciting. Alrighty, well, everything has been multiplied. This is decision time. The green, the blue, the yellow flapper. You gotta choose. Now, 700x. Now we can get it for somebody. And I believe in some problems as well. Doubling up. Let's go, yellow team. So it's gonna be 1,400x maybe. $140x. Alrighty. Oh, green one actually got the best one. Congratulations.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.